Good afternoon, morning, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is August the 11th, 2025, and we are currently looking at our carambola trees. Now, this year so far, they haven't produced barely anything, so it's been kind of a weird year. I mean, earlier this year they had some stuff, but so far this summer we haven't seen any production aside from what I'm about to show you, because I'm just now discovering this. You got a few green fruit in here. They're not that big. There is this odd, massive one. So look at the size of my hand to that carambola. Now we're at zone 9A 10B border in Florida. So it turns out that this zone is really good for growing the carambola, but all in all, not a whole lot of production this year so far. I imagine when winter starts to come upon us, fall arrives, we'll get a lot more of these flowers. Soil condition here is just sugar sand. These are basically a set and forget in this area. Now if I look over here, I'm starting to see a few more fruit right up in there, right over there, but nothing to the degree that we saw last year. Now this one for some reason has a few more. I see some back and up in there a little bit. Let's look at the last one. Let's go over here and take a glance, see what this one's producing. This one's gotten more water than the others, so we're about to find out if water makes any kind of a difference. Not really. You got a bunch of little guys. So the production is there, it's just not heavily abundant like we've seen in the past. But no fertilizers, no insecticides, pesticides, no nothing. And these carambola or starfruit will do well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It helps the channel grow, and the backstory is located in a link at the top right of this video. Have a great day. Thank you.